This is the new Polaroid Pogo. It is truly innovative for two main reasons. First off, there's absolutely no ink, no ribbons, no toners, no cartridges. Secondly, it was designed for ultimate mobility. So finally, a printer that can enable printing at virtually any time, anywhere. Because there is no ink, the magic is in the paper. Zinc photo paper comes in packs of 10. Each sheet is embedded with 100 billion colorless dye crystals, layered in your cyan, magenta, and yellow, and when passed under a thermal print head, begin to activate to full colors and then are locked in with that overcoat. So I will send an image from my Bluetooth-enabled camera phone directly to the printer. The LED has increased its pulse, communicating that it is printing. That zinc photo paper will be passed under this thermal print head and will be exposed to over 200 million heat vibrations. Unlike your inkjet print, there is virtually no wait time, so they are dry to touch. And in less than 60 seconds from the time I push send, I have a 2x3 inch full color print ready to share. A couple of unique things about the paper: it is extra durable, so it can deal with some wear and tear, but it also is water resistant. So if you were to spill on your prints, just simply squeegee off and you've not lost any of your image quality. At launch, we'll just be launching with black, but with full intentions of bringing colors late 2008.